Good morning. We're gonna have some breakfast vegan style. A lot of people think that when they go vegan, they're gonna have to give up a lot of their favorite foods, but we're gonna have eggs and sausage and toast with cheese in the eggs. And we've got my favorite Beyond Breakfast sausages. These are delicious. This is some non-dairy hot pepper cheese. And then this is my favorite egg substitute called Just Egg. Dave's bread, most of it is vegan. These are smoky sausages made from plants. No animal fat in here. You can actually eat these raw. There, I just ate a little raw. I think it's delicious. Just cook it like you would any other breakfast. I watched a documentary called Cowspiracy. So there's no perfect world. Things are gonna die just in the course of living, but this is the way that we can feed the whole world safely without harming sentience. And it's so delicious. Look at these sausages. I cannot wait to eat these. Just Egg product made from mung peas, protein, and a lot of things that I cannot pronounce, just like regular food, but there's no death in here. The world is going vegan. There's no question about that. We can make anything that we want out of plants. So this cooks up just like eggs. No slimy little gelatinous white spots, and no like veins or blood spots in it, because it's really just made from beans. A little pepper, just like a country breakfast, only no death. At no point in any vegan meal do you feel heavy or sluggish. You don't have to rest or take a nap. You don't feel bloated. I have not felt that feeling in 5 years. There we go. Breakfast fit for a king. Scrambled plant-based eggs with cheese, toast, sausage, tomato. Join me next time on this wonderful vegan adventure. Thanks for watching, folks.